Good morning, everyone. In this session, we'll discuss about choose and rank and also how to use that index, match and VLOOKUP. So, in last session, we have discussed about index and also match and choose command. So here I given in last session I have given some examples also. Okay, these are the examples in formula we have discussed in the last session. So here by using that particular value and range, how to find that one. These all things we have worked according to that columns and rows. How we can go for use the index command like that. So and also we have discussed in last session how to use the VLOOKUPs and of just giving that particular ID number, how to get that related data. So that we have discussed in last class by using is equal to VLOOKUP and the whatever value we given that particular cell. According to that, that should be searched in that range what you are given. Here I given A1 to D7. In that range it will search and display the whatever data is present in second column. That is the name of that particular client. So like that you have worked on that particular VLOOKUPs. So now next here we'll go for the choose and rank. So these all things how we can use in that particular in our requirements means here I have taken some product names that is steel angle bar and steel flat bar and steel square bar, like that some product I have taken. So and also there is an item code. So I want to clear this one. These are item code. This is not serial number of that. The item code will be recognized with that particular product. Means all the products are having its own unique identity code. Though that is called an item code. So every product is having its own identification code. That is what you can call item code. So here there is I had given some item code. You can see that 1 2 some simple name number I have taken. So how we can use this particular choice and like that means here some percentage of value we have given. Percentage should be given according to that value and weightage we are given. So how it will take that things by seeing that particular item code, it will change its whole the data. Suppose if I give 2 here, so the whole data will be changed. See, steel square bar it is chosen and the value 15% of that thing and weight is 15. So this like that it will take. If I given 3, it will take that another items. So by giving that code of that particular item, you'll get full details of that particular product. So if I given 1 means it will take that particular steel angle bar. Okay. So here how we can use this formula means here I given the formula is equal to choose C3. So C3 whatever value I given in C3, so that value should be chosen here. See C3, you just follow my mouse pointer. So C3 here it is on a C3. So whatever thing is present in C3 that should be choose 10%, 15% and 12%. See here it will take the ascending order. First will come number 1 and here number 2 and number 3. So I given item code 1 here. So that's why it has taken the first value. So and after that if I given 2 here, the second value 15. So that second value can be recognized. And if I given third, the third value of this in this bracket that will be chosen from this particular cell. So like that it will calculate the values. So equal to choose C3, the whatever things is present in the data is present in C3, that should be counted here 1 2 3. See here I give the 1. So like that the item code will be match on that and the whatever value we have given here that can be displayed here. So here instead of percentage 10 I can mention the cell address also. That formula we have discussed here. See here I given choose C3, the whatever value I have given in C3. So it is going to check it one. So it is if it is 1 then H3. So here I given the dollar symbol. So why I given this dollar symbol means when you drag any value. So I'll show the example here. If I given A1 is equal to, I'll give is equal to, should be given A1 I'll give plus B1. So here 0. So A1 and B1 I'll give some value here. See. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. The value you can see here. So if I drag the values, see here I'll give 1 and 6. So if I drag this one, this H16 cell to H17 cell, automatically it will increase that A2 and B2, correct? So here if I don't want to increase that, suppose if you take a simple example here, the if I taken 2, I'll show in the under sheet. So here I given 1, here I given the 2. Okay, I'll give 2 here. On multiplication table we will practice. That is nice example to do that one. So what I'll do here is equal to this cell, means C13 into and I'll give here ampersand. I'll give this D12 cell. So D12 I'll give the ampersands and D and ampersand D12 it is D12. If I give like this, what happens? 1 into 2 is equal to 2 only. Now here what I'll do, I'll go for the 2 and I'll select both the cells and I'll drag from here to here. Okay, so if I drag this one, see here, I'll just drag down this one. So here you can see the 2, 4, like the multiplication table of second it is displaying now. So how the formula is taken means C13 into D12 only. So here also C14 into D12 only. So there's no any changes on that particular. When you drag on that, this will be say it will be freezed on that. It will be the same. D12 will be the same cell. If I given here 3, what happens? If I given 3, third multiplication table should be displayed. Like that, if you given, if you want to see the 120th table, you can get that also. So like that, it's very easy to use that particular freeze. You can freeze with that dollar symbol, that particular cell. Whenever you drag, that will not going to increase, means it will not going to according that you are drag, whatever you have drag on that. So here it has increased that particular row here, but this value is not, this particular cell is not changed. It is displaying the same D12. So like that, you can freeze that value. In that idea I used here also. See, here I given is equal to choose C3 into $H3. So $H3 here. So this is the cell what I am having the data. So like that, here H3 is H2 is there. So here that value will be the same. When you drag, that will be same like this. So now here you can see that formula. It is changing the row. It is changing the row because I have dragged downside with the row change. If I drag right side, it will change the column, increase. If I drag left side, it will decrease that column address. So like that, it will change that address and will give the values. So I think you understood that one. Just I given the choose and that particular cell, the way the data should be matched and chosen, and 3 value I given. So like that, you can take the weightage of this particular formula. So at the same given another example here, that is called ranking, finding the rank of that things. Here also I have taken some item products name and item codes are there. According to that, I have given the formula. So grade we have given 80, 60, 78, 90 like that. Okay, like that you can take the positions. So here it will take the ascending order is equal to rank equal, the whatever things is present in equal, so it will go there and that equal is present here. Okay, and E12 and E16, so it will find out the value here where E12 to E16. So this is the range what we have to select, and it will make it the arranging order. So fastest one will be taken the first one, like that in the rank winner running race. You can say the person who will take the less time, he will be the first rank, and who will take the second fastest time will be second. Like that, here it has taken the formula. So is equal to rank, and this particular cell will be taken in ascending order. The whichever taking the less time, it will be the first time. By using that formula, I just changed here. See, is equal to if F12. So in that F12, uh, F12 is less than 4. So here you can choose the value from F12. See here, okay, and very good and best. So like that I have given the data. If H12 is less than 14, 4, so it will take the first value, that what is the thing. So means hashed value, means I told ascendingly it will take. Ascending means first value will become first, and if it is taken 1 means it will be the okay, the lowest point, and more than that it will go for the okay, more than that it will be the very good, and the larger of those all, greater of all that values, it will give the best. So like that it will take the value here. So like the 4 is there, less than 4, so 4 is the best because it is the biggest number, maximum value of that particular range. From here to here, the whatever range you are given, that will be taken here. So, and also you are given the formula. Next one is good. See here, you can, it is displaying the good, second is there, and 3 it is displaying the very good. See, like that it is arranged that data. By using this rank, you can make the rank on that particular list, whatever you are having. So just you have to give the value, the whatever rank, and position, what is there, that position you can calculate with the using the rank. This one, that value should be matched with here grade, and after that you have to give the whole cell should be given here, cell address from here to here, the whatever range you are having. So after that you have to give that column 1, means in that column only you have to take that. So next, to find out that, so assume that if I change here, in the place of 80, if I given only 50, means what happens here? So you can see that one, okay, it's okay product. So if I given the quality of 70, then what happens? So very good. If I given the 60, what happens? You can see 60. Okay, so like that you can give that one. 80 means it will get the best. So like that it will take the values, the what value you are given and what range is there. In that range it will choose the best of that, and you can, by using this formula, you can bifurcate, you can divide that data, so according to the requirement of user. So like that you can see here, they are given the formula here also. I'll just make it yellow and I'll increase that font so that you can easily see that one, and I'll make it not the center. So this formula also you can see here, and background yellow, and I'll increase the font of this one so easily you can view that. I'll make the bold this value. See, these are the value what I have used here to find the value of best model and also choose. Okay, and next one we will discuss about how to use this particular index and match and VLOOKUP. In last session we have done some examples, only the index and match, only VLOOKUP. So here we'll go for the combination of these all things. Okay, it's a very interesting formula. VLOOKUP is, you can just go through this one, it will make your work very easy. So here are given the formula. See, these are the bars and these are what values is there, and discount what should be given for. So here steel angle bar is there, square bar, and different types of products is there. According to that product, you are having the value, you are given the same 500. You will get the 500 quantities from steel angle, also 500 from steel square bar, and 500 from round bar. These values are same here to here, and here I use the same values. Okay, and only the percentage according to that particular angle bar, for 500 you are giving only 1% discount. But if it is square bar with 500, and you will give the 3% discount, and if it is round bar, it's 500 value, means you will give only 5% of discount. So like that you have changed the discount here, but these all according to means value or tons what you are given, that will be same. And here item codes we are given. So these are the item codes what we are given here, round bar and these all things whatever I used, and also I given the values. So here I use the formula is equal to index are given, and these are all freezed cells. So here I have freezed this because they will be permanent cells. Here I'm not changing that one. So B3 to B7, B3 to B7 from here to here, and second range is there here, means next cell square bar, that is B10 to B14. You can see here B10 to B14. You can see, just follow my mouse pointer, and next point you are having B17 to B21. So that is here B17 to B21. So like that I have taken all the three different range of the different items. Okay. So after that I have given the match command. So where this should be matched, these are things what I have given the index that should be matched from this value. So C3. So where is that C3? So C3 is here. So value, the what value you have given, that value will be taken from A3 to A7. So these are the same value I used here. That's why A3 to A7. This is the value. So this value I given here. So this is the A3 to A7. That range I have taken here. The first column. It is you have to take compare in the first column only. That's why comma 1 item. So next we are given VLOOKUP and bracket. So D3, where is that D3 here? Okay, means item code. So item code should be lookup. So that is horizontally given. That is what VLOOKUP. Sorry, vertically you have taken. That's why you have taken the VLOOKUPs. So D3, this is the cell of D3, and here this cell will be compared where A23 to B25. A23. So A23 to what is that? B25. So here I given A23 to B25. So these are the product what I use. Three number of product I have taken. So that's why I given VLOOKUP D3. So it should be searched on this particular range. What should be searched? The whatever thing you have given in B3 cell. That B3 cell value should be counted on this particular range. So after that I have given the comma 2, means in the second row whatever value will be taken, that should be considered. First, second, third, like that. So these are the things what you can give here. The range of that particular product name, and it should be checked on that B3 what we are given in that particular A3 itself to A15. So and also we are given, these are three range we are given ranges to index. So that is called B3 to B7 and B10 to B14 and B17 to B21. These are the range. The what should be matched here. So matching is E3. The whatever value is inputted by the user, that is E3 value, that should be searched from A3 to A7. So these are the value we have given A3 to A7. Just follow the mouse pointer, and after that VLOOKUP. What should be vertically looked? So that is D3. The whatever value we have given in D3, that should be checked here. So where that should be checked? So that should be checked here. So what value I given A23 to A25. So when you given entry, enter this the value it can display. So this is the discount percentage what it is second. See here the steel round bar is there. So steel round bar here you can see that is 500 is there. That is you can see that one the percentage what are the percentage should be given. So if I change that value, it will change the values. So if I given 1000 here, that will be taken that particular values. So according to that it will change that particular requirement what you given. So like that you can. So if I given steel angle bar, so steel angle bar 1000, you give 2%. See here you can see the 2% here also displaying the 2%. Just like that you can see the values. See this value is matching now here. So like that. So if I change here uh, steel, sorry, steel, see, steel square bar I given. So 1000 items. So 4% it will change to 4. So before it is displaying 2% because I have given the angle bar. Angle bar is here. You can see the 2%. Now it has taken the, see, 1000 items 4%. If I given in the place of 1000, if I given 3000, what happens? You can check. See, 6%. See here, you can check that one. 6% is there according to that particular product name, item name, and according to that discount is displayed. Tons. The whatever number of tons you have sold, according to that there is a discount, it is displaying here. So like that, whatever name you have given, according to that it will give, it will check the tons of that whatever item, and also it will give choice that particular discount, what discount is given by the already from the user. So this is the formula what you can use to find the what the discount, and also the whatever requirement is required for the user. So this is a formula you can use. Okay, thank you. Hope you understood that this benefited for you all, and practice these things. If you have any doubts, you can message me, and you can discuss with that doubts also. Okay, I hope all are good with health, and keep clean, concentrate on your health, take care yourself and your family. Thank you. See you again with next session. Thank you one and all.